Hi friends, this is Charlie, your IELTS and OET trainer from FLC. Today we are recording the three basic problems which students face in the listening test. The number one problem is the accent and speed. Sometimes the candidate is unable to understand the accent and unable to match the speed of the speaker. So there is one very simple step which you can do. It's very basic but very important one. You just need to listen and re-listen to the same tape over and over again. It seems like we are just listening to one tape, but actually what you're trying to do is you're trying to absorb the accent of that speaker. And once you absorb the accent, then whenever you want to listen to the new content in the same accent, you will be able to pick it up. And at the same time, you will be able to match the pace of the speaker. So it's a very basic technique, but it's very effective. The second problem which candidates face is basically they start up well in the test, in any section or in any part, but at certain point during the tape, they just get lost in the tape. Means they just miss the bullet where the tape is at the moment, and then the panic button turns on, and you miss the tape. Now, the problem for this particular issue are basically relating to two sub problems. One is the paraphrasing, because whatever is written on the question paper or on the tape, or like on the question paper, it's not repeated basically. What you need to do is you need to vocab match. Now, vocab match is a technique. I will just explain you how to do it. It's not that difficult. Now, in vocab match, what you need to do is you just need to script the statement which is written on the question paper. Now, for example, if you're reading a bullet and they're going to change the vocab, so when you are listening, you just listen and write the words which are being spoken for that particular statement. What you're actually trying to do is you're trying to do the vocab match so you understand how the statement has been changed or paraphrased in the listening tape as compared to the statement which is written on the question paper. It is time consuming. For this you will be re-listening to the same portion over and over again, and maybe it becomes a bit laborious at some time. This is very effective. Again, students ask a lot of time how we can increase the vocabulary in the listening part. So this is how you actually increase the vocabulary by vocab matching. Second problem which students make in the same criteria when they get lost in the tape is they are unable to mark the keywords properly. Now, what I have seen in keyword marking, most of the candidates, they just pick up one main keyword which is known as the primary keyword in the statement, and then they just go like leave other words, and then they start listening to the tape. Now, sometimes you get answers from the primary keyword because it is spoken as it is, because that word is matched exactly as written and as spoken. But many times they change the words, again they paraphrased. And when they change the words, it doesn't mean that they changed word to word. They change the statement in a paraphrase form. So when the statement is paraphrased, and if you have marked only one word as a keyword, then automatically you are unable to comprehend or match the statement. So the solution is, whenever you mark the keywords, what you need to do is take the entire statement which is written as a bullet or as a blank or as an MCQ, and what you need to do is divide it into chunks. Take the entire question statement, divide it into chunks which is understandable. So when they paraphrase, you will be able to pick it up at certain point of time which word is matching there. So again, it will help you comprehend the words. So the problem was you are getting lost in the tip, and there were sub two problems, paraphrasing and keyword, and I've given you the techniques and the solution for that. Now, there is another problem which is the sub problem of the same one, is when you are listening to a bullet, sometimes you know at which bullet the speaker is at the moment, but you're unable to identify the answer word. Means you understand the entire statement, but you still are unable to write the answer. Or you can say you are confused. It's a one word answer or it's a two-word answer. Now, again, the problem lies in the same way with the paraphrasing and with the keywords. If you have worked on the paraphrasing and the keyword, then these two problems can be sorted out. Which one? I repeat, one is getting lost in the tape. It can be covered with the paraphrasing and keyword, and getting the exact word as your answer. You can again cover it from the paraphrasing and the keyword. So these two problems you can say are gelled together. The third main issue the candidate face is obviously the spellings. spellings are checked, and if you write the wrong spellings, definitely you will be penalized. Even if you have worked entirely in the all tape, you have listened properly, you have marked the keywords, you have picked up the right word, but if you write the wrong spelling, definitely you will not get any score for that. Again, very basic thing, but it's very effective. Dictation. Learn the words and tell somebody to dictate you, or you can just speak the word by yourself and just write down the words. It's going to help you a lot. So these are the three basic problems which candidates face. Well, I hope you will find this video effective and helpful. And if you want other videos in the same pattern, you can write me in the comment, or you can tell us, and we will be making videos on the problems which you face in the lesson. Thank you very much.